Find or read reviews that people are talking about. APTOOK 140 pint commercial dehumidifier, crawl space dehumidifier with drain hose. See illustrations with descriptions. We will present some outstanding or some interesting features. Because the product you're watching right now is new, and we're one of the first sites that is presenting this product. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you should choose this product. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 140 ppd commercial dehumidifier. Removing 80 pints of moisture per day in AHAM conditions. This unit can also remove 140 pints per day approximately in nearly saturated conditions. In spaces up to 2,000 square feet. Its powerful 150 CFM fan moves air quickly through the unit, ensuring that fresh air is distributed evenly throughout your space. This dehumidifier is the best choice for even commercial spaces such as warehouses, factories, bars, restaurants, museums, and laboratories. Compact design for crawl space. At just 23x15x15 inch, comes with leveling feet and joist hanging kit for sturdy installation. It can be hung with joist hanging kit or placed on a level surface for use. The machine hangs from the floor joists in a crawl space, pulling the humid air, removing the moisture, and sending the fresh, dry air back out. The feet on the bottom are made of rubber on them, which will help prevent damage to hardwood flooring. Portable ridged handle, easy to transport. Continuous drainage for basement. Gravity drainage. Connect the hose yourself while making sure the dehumidifier sits above the drain so water will flow downhill, and drain hose to a sump pit location. Connect external condensate pump, not included. This is another option for continuous drainage, but since water is manually ejected with the help of a pump, it can be drained anywhere. Into a sink or drain upstairs with a long enough hose, or water can be pumped directly outside. Effortless remote control. Its intelligent touch panel allows for easy operation. And have a 32.8 in extension cord, so you can remove the touch panel and install it upstairs. Built-in humidistat relieves you from the hassle of manually adjusting its operations based on your humidity requirements. The dehumidifier will start or restart with the setting data before the outage. Switch freely design with auto mode, continuously drying mode, and sleep mode. Auto defrosting system. It's able to work efficiently at a low temperature of 41 degrees Fahrenheit, and if frost is detected on the coils, it runs an automatic defrost cycle to prevent frost buildup and associated issues. Its coils have an epoxy coating that prevents corrosion and freon leaks and sustains its heat transferability and longevity. A removable filter protects internal components from damage due to dust and other particles while ensuring efficient operation and long-term use. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.